Alright guys, and welcome back to today's video. I'm your boy Crypto Mechanic, and of course on this video I'll be teaching you guys how to be able to avoid this cheap trust wallet scam that I'm sure there are a lot of people out there who have been falling for this, but this scam works in such a way that you will not be able to know when you are getting scammed actually, because you'll be thinking that you have gained full access to everything, but in reality you have not getting access to anything. All right, so watch out right now, because this scam actually works uh through content creators. When I say true content creators, I mean you get scammed when you visit the comment section and sees the scammers comment. I don't want to be saying scam too much on this, because it could actually get my video in trouble. So I don't know the right word to be using, but I guess I will stop using that word for now. So to avoid this problem, let me teach you how it works. So I'll be using my channel, for example. Before I will go ahead to delete that comment, let me quickly use it and show you guys what I'm actually talking about. So when I click right now on this video, it will load up real quick. My bad. Trade with 24/7. Okay, so right now I'll be showing you guys how this actually works right now. So after the ad, so please bear with me. This is very, very important that you actually understand it to avoid falling a victim of it. Okay, so right now this is the video that I uploaded just one day ago. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and liking the video. It's literally mean the whole world to me. Okay, so let me go to the comment section right now. You will see all these comments right here, but this guy right here said, "Thanks for the analysis. A bit off topic." Well, he said off topic just to get your mind off. You were thinking that he's just a newbie, okay? A bit off topic, but I wanted to ask, my OKX wallet holds some USDT. He's now telling you that his OKX wallet holds USDT. Now pay close attention. And I have the seed phrase. You can see he is now giving you the seed phrase. So anybody will be like, yeah, this guy, he's a newbie. He don't know that he's not supposed to be sharing his seed phrase right here. Now let me show you guys the full comments of his. Okay, you can see these are the seed phrase right here. You can see how should I go about transferring them to Binance. Listen, anybody that sees this type of content will be like, yeah, he has seen it, that he should just log in and take all the money. Now let me break it down for you and show you how it works. So I'm going to be importing this into my wallet right now using this seed phrase. So bear with me. Let me just simply copy it in the best way I can. Okay, so before I will remove it, let me first of all try and copy it. I don't know if I can be able to copy it, but let me just go to my Trust Wallet actually. So over here on my Trust Wallet, bear with me. Let me just sign this up real quick. Okay, so and right now let me go to the section where I have to import my wallet. Obviously, I have to click right here on this plus sign. So then I have to click on add existing wallet. So I have to click on seed phrase. Okay, so I will select multi-coin wallet. So right now I have to simply let me just input those words right here. So we have words like alarm fetch. Okay, alarm fetch churn bridge. Okay, let me do it right now. Okay, please bear with me. All right, so alarm, let me just fast forward the video real quick. Okay, and right now I have been able to input those words. So right now let me try restoring the wallet. Let me show you guys. The wallet is going to be holding assets. That asset in that wallet is what is going to be making you to be able to to have the zeal to just take out all the assets right there. But right now the method or the name of this cheap problem we are facing right here is called multi-signature. Right now pay close attention. The balances will load up real quick. Okay, and right now you can see that it has loaded up right now. You can see the USDT on it. So I was having a little network issue. Let me show you guys the recovery phrase one more time so that you can confirm wallet 5. I will click on it, then I have to click on I have to do this manually, right? So of course this is the recovery phrase. You can see the same recovery phrase, isn't it? Right now let's go back like this, and right now we are sure that we are dealing with the right wallet, isn't it? You can see that these are the USDT right here, about $8,000 worth of USDT. So every other person will be like, let me get this money out, or let me just cash it out so that you you have gotten a free money, isn't it? That's what normal person will be thinking. So but here is the problem. The name of this cheap problem right here is called multi-sig wallet scam. You understand? So But right now, how it works is that this asset right here, you can never be able to transfer it out. I will be telling you the reason right now. So listen, you can see right here, let me go to this Solana right now. Let me see the transaction right here. Okay, there's this transaction right here. Okay, so let me go to the USDT. You can see this USDT is on Tron network, isn't it? Let's check out the Tron, because every other person will be like, let me send Tron so that I can be able to use it and withdraw those USDT. And even some people will be like, let me just use the wallet normally. You can see immediately your money gets seen. That is the same minute that it goes out. You can see this money got in right now and immediately it went out. You can see any money that you send right here so that you can be able to use this to shift that USDT is going away. You won't even know what will happen to the money. So right now, I believe you are learning something, isn't it? You can see these are the money that this guy got today from this cheap problem that is creating for people. Okay, so right now, this is how it works. Before you can be able to transfer this USDT out of this wallet, you need the signature of 2 accounts. You understand? So if you try sending this out right now, you will be before, for example, right now, if you click on send, obviously this is the message, but if you try to send it out, you will be like, there is no gas fee, and for that, you will be like, let me go and put in some TRX, because this USDT is on Tron network, you are going to be needing Tron to pay the gas fee, isn't it? So right now, if you ever dare to send any cryptocurrency into this wallet, you have lost it. You have lost it. You will never gain it out again. The reason is because before you can be able to transfer a coin out of this wallet, you need to register, you need to verify it right here and verify it from another wallet. You understand? The person that created this wallet and revealed the recovery phrase is the person that is the only person that can be able to move this fund out of this wallet. So everybody will be like, since this fund is already right here, how do I get it out? Okay, so right now you will be you will be urged to go and deposit some money so they can use it to withdraw this out. Immediately you deposit money into this account, the money is gone. You will never be able to remove it again. So that is how this cheap problem actually works. It is called multi-signature wallet scam, whatever you want to call it. But I believe now you have been able to understand how this works. Please let me know what you think about this on the comment section, and do not forget to like this video you are watching right now if you actually got value out of it. So listen, now that you have known about this, what do you need to do from now? What you need to do from now is, wherever you see someone with such comments, you go ahead and comment under it, telling people that this is a scam. Or you can go ahead and, of course, ignore it totally. But the most important thing that you can do right now is to share this video to someone out there so that they will be able to understand this right now and avoid such scenario from occurring to them. Okay, so this is simply how it works. You can never be able to transfer this USDT out. Okay, and if you try to do it, you will be restricted because you need the permission from the second wallet. So that is simply how this works. I believe you have gotten a value out of this. If you check out all this, somebody may have imported this wallet into his phone and be using it as his normal wallet, thinking that he is depositing money into it. No, is that he's just supplying money to someone else. So I believe you have been able to get a value out of this video. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and most importantly, subscribe and like this video to keep me motivated. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you guys very soon.